Welcome to PC Tricks Guru YouTube channel, and in today's video we will talk about a software that can optimize your computer and it can improve the overall speed, overall performance of your PC. Well, this software, it can clean up the junk files, it can fix Windows registry errors, it can boost the overall speed of your internet, and it can fix any kind of security issues by installing the automatic Windows updates. It can automatically update the other applications as well which are installed in the machine. So it can do a lot of things, and I believe that you really need to check out the application to know the power of this application. So before we start the video, I would like to tell you that at the end of the video I'll be sharing a product key to activate the product for 6 months. So this product key will be shared as a giveaway, so you can use it on your PC and enjoy using this application. You can improve the overall system performance using this software. So let's begin the video. So what you need to do is just open your web browser and go to the website iobit.com. So I have opened my web browser and then go to iobit.com. After opening iobit.com, you will see this web page here, and the application that you need to use is Advanced System Care. So that application is available here under the Speed Up tab. You have to go to Advanced System Care Pro. If you click on Advanced System Care Pro, you'll see this page, and the price of the software is for one PC and 3 PC. So for one PC it is available at $14.77 per year, and for 3 PCs it's available at the price of $16.77 per year. So to be able to install the trial version or the free version of this application, you have to scroll down a little bit, and there you can see this free download option here. So click on free download and it will download the setup. So you can click on desktop, or you can save the setup file anywhere, and just click on save and it will save the application, and then run the setup file and it will install it. But I already have installed the application, so that's why I'm not going to reinstall it. So I'll just click on cancel, and the software that I'll be showing you will be the advanced version of it. So I will go to Antivirus over here, and you can see that Advanced System Care Ultimate. So this is the version that is still on version 14, and I hope that iobit would upgrade it to the version 15, because the rest of the applications have been upgraded to the version 15. The Advanced System Care Pro, it has been upgraded to version 15. So to be able to install this application, you have to click on free download. So choice is yours, but the key that I'll be sharing, it will be for the Advanced System Care Pro. So I recommend you installing this so that you'll be able to use the giveaway key on a machine. So let's proceed further. Once you are done with the installation, you can launch the Advanced System Care Pro or the Ultimate version from the icon. So I have pinned the icon here to the taskbar. If you want, you can just click on the start button and type advanced, and then click on this icon here to be able to launch this application. So just click on it and it will launch the Advanced System Care Ultimate 14.5. So on the top you can see that it has a separate antivirus available, which is really good. It can scan your USB drives, and it can scan the system files as well. It can scan everything. And there are some other tabs like Care, Speed Up, Toolbox, Software Updater, and Action Center. So there are 3 options in the antivirus section. The first one is Quick Scan, which will quickly scan the basic components, the basic parts of the computer for malwares. If there will be any detections, it will ask you that whether do you want to move them to quarantine or do you want to delete them permanently. And this second option is Full Scan. So it will deeply scan all the sections of the computer. It will scan all the drives, it will scan the archives, it will scan the folders. Everything will be scanned. And this option is Custom Scan. So using the Custom Scan option, you can select a particular folder that you want to scan and save time. So these are the 3 options. And now if you click on here, protection details, I'll just click on here, you'll see that what kinds of protections that Advanced System Care Ultimate provides. So real-time protection is on, Windows Firewall is on, anti-ransomware engine is off, because right now I do not need it, but yes, you can enable it, because if this option will be enabled, your PC will be protected from the ransomware, and none of your system files or important files will be affected by any kind of ransomware that changes the file extension. And browser protection is also there, sensitive data protection is there, auto silent mode is also there. So I recommend turning on all the options, but as per my convenience I have not turned on these two options. If you go to the browser protection section here and click on here, after clicking it, you can see that it provides email protection, ad removal, surfing protection, anti-tracking, homepage advisor. These options are available here. So the browsers that it currently supports is Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer. So right now I have Edge installed in the machine. If you click on Edge, the email protection option will be enabled. So in the Edge browser, if you open Gmail, Outlook or Yahoo, the Advanced System Care Pro's malware engine, it will help you detect any kind of phishing, scam or any kind of other threats that you might receive with an email. In the same way, if you are getting several ads, you can remove them just by enabling the browser from here. So once you enable it, you'll get rid of all the unwanted ads on the internet. Surfing protection is also there. You can enable it from here. Anti-tracking and homepage advisor, it will notify you if any kind of extension or any application tries to change the home page of your browser. So these are the options here. Now let's close it and move to the care section. So care section, it has some options available like privacy sweep, registry defrag, junk file clean, spyware removal, security reinforcement, shortcut fix, internet boost, and vulnerability fix, registry clean, system optimization, disk optimization. And this is a one-click button that will perform all the things that you need. So I'll just click on scan here and it will start scanning the junk files and it will just start optimizing my PC to get the best out of it. So we just have to wait for a few minutes while it's doing its job, and once it is done, I have enabled this automatically fix option as well. So once it is done with the scanning part, it will automatically do the cleanup and fix thing. So let's wait and watch what does it do, and at the end it will show us the result. So as we can already see that it has found 759 privacy traces in the web browser, 112 junk files are there, it will find invalid shortcuts, registry errors, so a lot of things will be there. So let's wait and watch. So as you can see that the fix, it has been completed and the system has been boosted. So it found some of the privacy traces, registry errors and junk files, which it fixed automatically. So once all the things are done, just click on finish. And after clicking on finish, you can go to speed up this section. So speed up, it has 4 options available here. So turbo boost, this option is also very important if you want to disable any unwanted service, which will additionally improve the overall performance of the computer. So there are 3 modes: work mode, game mode and economy mode. So if you want to turn on the turbo boost option, click on here, turn on, and it will turn on the turbo boost. It will disable the running services that are in the background. So I'm not going to turn it on because I do have some important services that are running in the background and I need them to keep running. So that's why I'll just leave it as it is, because the performance of my system, it's quite good right now, so I do not need to disable any additional services. And this one is the startup optimizer. So if you click on manage here, it will show you the list of the startup items that are scheduled to be started. So if you want them, if it gives you any kind of recommendation, and if you think that the service that you are going to disable or optimize is not very important for you, you may just click on the optimize button and it will complete the optimization for you. Here are the startup items. So if you want to disable or enable any startup item that you think is not important for you, you can just use these sliders to disable and enable them. These are the services. So currently there are a lot of services running in the Windows background. So if you want to disable some of them that you think are not important for you, you may just click on this enable option and it will disable them. For example, Brave update service. So I'll just click on disabled, which has disabled it, and now I'll click on enable. So the service has been enabled. So I want my Brave browser to be updated automatically, so that's why I'm not going to disable it, and it's not creating any kind of impact on my system as well, so that is okay for me. So these services that you see here, the startup items, the services, they are actually the third-party applications. If you want to see the system services, click on show system services and it will list all the services that are the part of Windows operating system as well. So you can scroll down and you can check that which service do you want and which service you do not want to be enabled. So you can see that I have disabled quite a lot of startup items, the services, actually not the startup items, the services, and that's why my PC is working smooth and fast. So I'll just click on hide system services just to make sure that no one would disable any important service by mistake. Now on the next tab you'll see scheduled tasks. So you can click on here and you can see that there are some tasks that are scheduled to be run automatically on a specific date or time or after a specific time interval. So if you want to disable any of them, you may use these options. And these are the browser startups. So if you have any kind of extensions or plugins installed in your web browser and if you want to disable them or remove them, you may just use this section and click on remove to get rid of the additional add-in. So this was the startup optimizer part. Now this is the hardware accelerator. So what this does, if you have installed the IOBit driver booster application, then you will be able to use this hardware accelerator option. It will automatically check for the updated drivers for your system's hardware and it will install the updates automatically. And this option is app toolbar cleaner. If you have any malicious application or the toolbar installed in your web browser, this section or this application, which is IOBit uninstaller, can help you to uninstall unwanted applications and the toolbars from the web browser for a smoother experience of the computer. Now if we go to the next option, toolbox, it has some separate applications, you may say, or the separate components available that you can run individually. For example, if you want to fix the registry, you can just click on the registry cleaner over here and it will open the registry cleaner. You may click on scan, and once the scan results are out, it will show you that how many errors are there, and then you may click on fix now. For example, let me run this tool. I'll not run the deep scan just to save time and click on save scan. Now the scan has started for the Windows registry and it's looking for any kind of registry errors if there are any. So at the end it will show us the result, the report, that how many errors did it find. So you can see that it shows no problems found. Why? Because we already have optimized the computer and all the registry errors that were there, they have already been fixed by the one-click fix option. That's why there are no any other additional registry errors. If you find any kind of errors listed here, you can just click on fix now and it will fix all the registry errors that are there in the computer. So in the same way, there are several things. Disk cleaner is there, file shredder is there, empty folder scanner, shortcut fixer, and so many tools are there which you can use and use them individually to improve the system performance. So let's move to the next tab, which is software updater. So in this tool, if you have installed any third-party application or all the applications that are installed in the computer, if they're not up to date, you'll see the notification that the software requires an update, and you can just click on update now here, and it will automatically update the applications that are out of date in the computer. So this is also a very good tool. And in Action Center, you'll be able to see the ongoing offers that are provided by the IOBIT. So if you click on show here, it will show you that the three offers are going on. And the Black Friday sale as well, you'll get all the products of IOBIT at a good discounted price. So I recommend you purchasing the product directly from the IOBIT website, and keep your PC error free and running smooth. So this was the overall uses of this software, Advanced System Care Ultimate. You can use Advanced System Care Pro as well. Both of them are same. The Ultimate version has a stronger antivirus shield available. That's why I'm using it. But it's up to you. If you want to purchase Advanced System Care Ultimate, you can buy it from the website, or you can use the product key that I'll be sharing shortly and activate your Advanced System Care Pro. So that's all for today. For the product key, you can check the screen. So the product key, it has been mentioned on the screen right now. You can make a note of it, or you can check the video description. I already have shared the download link for the product and the product key to activate it. So you can go through it and install and activate it in the machine for free. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked the video. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and you can click on the bell icon as well to get the notifications of my upcoming videos. If you have any queries, just mention them in the comment box, and I'll try to reply them. So thank you again for staying for this long, and thank you for your time. Thank you for visiting PC Tricks Guru. Have a good day, and bye-bye.